What's going on, you beautiful, beautiful people? I hope you all are doing well. Today, we're looking at the Dreame Z10 Pro in this 2-month follow-up video. If you missed my first video, make sure to check it out as I won't be diving into the specs or features like I already have. Instead, I'm going to focus on my experience since I've been using this thing now for about 2.5 months. With that said, here's a quick recap of the vacuum itself to give you an idea of what we're looking at. Feel free to pause the video and look over the specs for yourself. Before we dive into my experience, Dreame is allowing me to give away 3 Z10 Pros. We're going to do this giveaway a little different. I'm going to give 2 vacuums away right here on YouTube. All you need to do is subscribe to this channel, like the video, and leave a comment down below. I'll pick a winner in roughly about 1 week's time. The third unit I'm going to give away on Instagram. All you need to do is head over to my IG page and look for a reel with the Z10 Pro. The rest of the information will be written in that caption. You must have a US address to enter these giveaways. It's cool if you live outside of the country, but I'm only going to ship to a US address. So if you're outside the US, you'll need to arrange shipping yourself, whether it's a family member located here in the US or using a shipping service. And with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into my experience. First, let's talk about how well it cleans. The Z10 Pro has done a great job at cleaning both hard floors and rugs in my home. It has a feature that will automatically adjust suction based on if it's on carpet versus hard flooring, which is great for instances where there's more traffic on rugs. The suction power is fantastic, and I haven't noticed any issues of it not being able to clean properly. It gets really close to the edges and corners of the walls, but there are occasional spots that need to be hit manually with a duster or broom, which is common in robotic vacuums. It's also very good at transitioning to higher areas such as elevated rugs or thresholds. In fact, there were a few occasions where it even hopped over my coffee table right here, and the lip is really high. I have no idea how it did it, but then it popped itself back out, which is really cool. It's not a common occurrence, but I have found it impressive nonetheless, even if it wasn't meant to happen. All in all, the cleaning capabilities are top notch. This goes for dust, dirt, dog hair, and lots of other debris, as you'll see later. Another thing you may be wondering is whether this vacuum has gotten stuck or how many times I've had to manually place it back on the dock due to it not making it back home. In the beginning, it got stuck on 2 things: my couch side table back there, and then the cords under my TV stand. I spoke briefly about this in my first video. Since that video, it has made it back to the dock without any issues every single time, so it's learned from its mistakes. Even after rearranging my game room, it managed to adapt perfectly. If you've been following me, then you know that my game room was flipped and more open before. The chairs were up against the windows on the right side, my TV stand was on the left, and the lights were on the sides of the TV stand. The Z10 Pro adapted to the change and cleaned the floors perfectly without messing anything up. And it made it back to the dock first time around. This brings me to an issue I've had with previous robotic vacuums when they make more of a mess versus cleaning it up. For instance, cables on the ground getting dragged or toys getting scattered. The Z10 Pro does a fantastic job avoiding these objects and steering around them. This is thanks to the Lidar and the built-in AI processing. It can recognize things in real time and avoid running into them. I demonstrated this in my previous video, so make sure to give it a watch. This is great for things like furniture damage, which is something that's happened in the past with other brands. For instance, my Samsung subwoofer over here has scuffs and scratches on the front from my previous one. Many other robotic vacuums tend to bump into objects and use that tactile input to steer around them. The Z10 Pro rarely bumps into objects, which is great, and since switching over to it, I've had no issues with furniture damage. You can see this by the number of scratches on the vacuum itself. The ones that are visible are from where the vacuum hopped over the legs on my coffee table here, or during normal everyday use. The next thing I want to talk about briefly is the app. In my first video, I really dove into it and covered all the features. In this video, I want to go over the 5 features I use the most. The first is obviously the mapping feature and being able to assign rooms and visible walls and areas. This makes doing things like spot cleaning much easier. Creating a schedule is also one of my top features. I use it non-stop. I have my vacuum running Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 12:30 p.m. I also have it tied into my Amazon smart home, which allows me to start it up by simply saying the A word followed by the voice command. I use the remote control feature for quick cleanups, which is something not found on other high-end robotic vacuums. Lastly, carpet boost is something I use all the time. I briefly spoke about it at the beginning of this video. When it's turned on, it will automatically ramp up the suction power whenever carpet flooring is detected. There's a ton this vacuum can do, and I use nearly all the features, but these have been my personal favorites, I would say. The last thing I want to talk about has to do with the dust bin. The Z10 Pro is rated to go at least 2 months without having to change the bag. It's been nearly 2.5 months since my original video. Let's see just how true that claim is. Let's take a look at what's inside. This is gonna be kind of nasty. I just know it, so y'all cannot judge me. I got a knife right here just to prove to you that this is over 2 months worth of use. This is gonna be nasty, I just know it. It's in my mouth. It's in my mouth. Oh God, it's in my mouth. Oh look, you can still see the cereal from the original video. That is hilarious. That's from the original video. See the Fruity Pebbles? Look at that. Wow. That is a lot of nastiness. Now all I have to do is replace the bag, which it did come with extra bags, and I'm gonna do that now. But look at all of that. Dog hair, dust, Fruity Pebbles, cereal. Ugh. That's pretty cool. You guys can see the stuff from the original video, so you know how long it's really been. Ugh, I gotta wash my hands now. Okay, so let's wrap this up. The Dreame Z10 Pro is a fantastic robotic vacuum and one that I recommend. It has been one of the best out of all the ones that I've used. This includes performance, suction capabilities, obstacle avoidance, and even the feature set. For the price, I would say it's easily one of, if not the best out there. And if you use my link below, you might even be able to pick it up with a discount, so make sure to give it a look. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the description for giveaway details. Subscribe for more videos just like this, and I'll see you beautiful people in the next one.
Start charging.